Hi, and thank you for attending the 2021 Wisconsin Solo and Small Firm Conference. This video is meant to give instruction on how to navigate the conference platform. If you need further assistance during conference hours, please visit the help desk within the platform, email us at service@wisbar.org, or call 800-728-7788. The conference platform will be accessed through wisbar.org. Once logged in, click the My State Bar tab at the top right of the page, and then click the My Media tab. The link to the conference will be listed under Now Playing. You must log in from Wisbar each day to log your attendance for credit purposes. You can attend via tablet, phone, desktop, or any other device that is handy. Chrome and Firefox are the recommended browsers. On the conference site, you can edit your profile information and upload a photo if you like. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on Edit Registration Info, update any information you please, and click Submit to save your changes. From the main lobby, you can use the bottom navigation bar, the doorway signs, and navigation tiles to move from room to room. Go to the CLE Sessions room to launch the live and pre-recorded sessions for our plenaries and our 4 tracks of content. All sessions will allow text chat interaction with the presenters. From the exhibit hall, you can visit booths for each of our exhibitors, chat with representatives, learn about the latest offerings, and enter to win prizes. For additional fun, be sure to visit the lounge. Planned activities include Packer pregame party, complete with opportunities to mix and mingle, as well as a Packer pool and photo contest to show your Packer pride. Or click the Now Attending button to interact one-on-one with another attendee. Use the briefcase from the navigation bar to find preloaded information or save course materials and exhibitor materials for later viewing and downloading. If you have content or technical questions, visit us in the help desk and we will get you squared away as soon as possible. We're pleased that you're joining us on this adventure and look forward to helping you get the most out of the experience.